Now, previous I explained proof. That means any one origin is there. That origin will be shifted into the point h comma k. Then that point, if you consider as with respect to the ox and oy, px comma y, then if you origin treat as a h comma k, then new axes are o dash x dash, o dash y dash. Then with respect to of that axis, if new point is p x dash y dash, then that relation, if you write x equal x dash plus h comma y equal to y dash plus k, then what is the actual definition of a translation of axis there means once you observe it. The transformation obtained by shifting the origin to a given different point in the plane without changing the directions. Without changing the directions means x-axis there means horizontal, y-axis means vertical. That one there is no changing. Without changing the direction of the coordinate axis, then is called by translation of axis. It is the original definition of the transformation of the axis. Here x-axis position and y-axis position never changes, horizontal line and vertical line, but origin is shifted into the one new point h comma k. Then previous I explained the proof as it is. If the origin is shifted to h comma k, then by translation of axis, the axis how to changes will come there means that point if you treat as by original point is p x comma y, then if you shift it into the h comma k, origin is shifted into the h comma k, then new point if you treat as p x minus h comma y minus k is the new point. In the same manner, sometimes curve will give. That curve if you treat as f of x comma y equal 0, then translation of the equation how to will come there means with respect to the origin is shifted to h comma k. That's why f of x dash plus h comma y dash plus k equal to 0. It is the simple definition of the translation of the axis. Next class, if we go with the rotation of the axis, I explain it. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment. Thank you. In the coordinate geometry concept, last section, what is the coordinate geometry, basic concepts, next chapter locus, the 2 chapters completed. Now go with the third chapter, that is transformation of axis. What is the transformation of axis there means? This is a plane. This plane will be divided into so many parts. In that so many parts, that means all directions. That means, for suppose this way, this way, this way, so many ways will come. Now what I am doing there means a fixed 2 straight lines I am taking. 2 fixed straight lines, that 2 I am taking. Last section also I explained. X axis, this is y axis, x dash, y dash. Now what is the concept, what is the meaning of transformation of axis there means? For suppose this origin will transfer to the some other point, then automatically considering of a point also will be shifted. Then how to shift it? Then what is the new point? That all are called by the transformation of axis. That means here 2 categories are there. Axis will be rotating and point will be transferred. This concept is called by the transformation of axis. Now what is the meaning of a transformation of axis? Suppose this is the plane. That plane will divide it into 2 fixed lines, that is called by the x axis, y axis, x dash, y dash. Then if you take by the any one point origin, here any one point px comma y, any one point is there, then this origin shifted to the some other point, that one I am taking h comma k. For suppose this origin will shifted into the h comma k, then axis will be as it is. For suppose this is x dash. Now this one if you take y dash, then this point also is shifted as a x dash y dash. That means this origin will be shifted to the h comma k, then axes are changing. Axes are changes. This is horizontal line, this will be vertical line. Then this origin shifted into the h comma k, then original point is called by the x comma y. Then that new point if you consider as by the x dash comma y dash. Then what is the relation of this one? There means x equal to x dash plus h. At the same time y equal to y dash plus k. That meaning is here length is h units, this length will be k units for suppose. Then origin will be shifted into the h comma k. That means h length will be moved. Then original point will be x comma y with respect to the ox and oy. Ox and oy. Ox and oy. Then automatically new point x dash and y dash is represented as by the o dash x dash, o dash y dash is by the p x dash y dash. Then that x comma y equal to x dash plus h, y equal to y dash plus k. Then automatically that new point x dash equal to x minus h, y dash equal to y minus k. This is called by the transformation of the axis. Transformation of the axis. Once again, origin O 0, 0 and OY, Px comma y is the point with respect to the OX and OY. Then this origin will be shifted to the point h comma k. Then the new axes are O x dash and O y dash. That point will be treated as a x dash comma y dash. Then that new point x dash y dash and x comma y, how to write the relation there means x equal to x dash plus h, y equal to y dash plus k, then x dash equal to x minus h, then y dash equal to y minus k. Then this is called by the transformation of axis. Now I go with the definition of the transformation of axis.